Hey, buddy, we have a train coming. Check it out. Bleeding. Starting to heat up here. What train was that? Huge one there. This is the train I just saw was stopped there, moving a Mach 2 Hill Hop like 10 seconds ago. This is the Norfolk Southern, I don't know what the symbol is, an ass tool, specifically. Hey, Zach, do you know what the symbol is called on an NS train?
No.
No? I had to make it up then. I had to make it up. This is the NS. I'm gonna say this Norfolk Southern, the NS 28B, I believe. NS 282AB. This train starts out at Chicago, Illinois, 61st Street Yard. Well, the Buffalo, New York, at the passing yard. All on this Mother's Day, Sunday, May 11, 2025, from more Mobile Trains and YouTube. Someone calling on the phone. Some high today. It's actually right here today. He's hooking on the phone for the horn that went. Who you on the phone with? You know who you on the phone with, Zach?
Hmm?
Who you on the phone with?
My friends.
Is it Pat? Who is it?
It's Caden.
Caden? Caden's on the phone with Zach today.
What?
Okay, here comes the next video. Roll it.